Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam Cloud synchronization issues for your game. First, open Steam. Go to Settings. Next, open the Downloads tab. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. After that, go back to Settings and open the Cloud tab. Turn off Enable Steam Cloud, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now go to your library. Right-click on the game that's having the problem and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to finish checking and repairing the game files. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again. And that's it. That's how you can fix Steam Cloud synchronization issues for your game. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.